Last class I have completed till I think full wave rectifier or something else. Hello?
Yes, sir. Full wave rectifier.
That was last topic, full wave rectifier.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is ripple factor that I have explained? Ripple factor?
No, sir.
Okay. Right, ripple factor. The ratio of AC component, the ratio of RMS value of AC component to the DC value is called as ripple factor. If ripple factor is small, then quality of rectifier is said to be better. Then quality of rectifier is said to be better. Suppose this is DC component flowing and along with there some AC part is also flowing through the circuit. Then minimum to maximum change is called as AC component, and this constant value is called DC component of output. That means suppose 5 volt is constant, in between it becomes 6, 4, 6, 4. So that constant is DC and fluctuating is called AC. That is called ripple factor. So ratio of RMS value of AC component to DC value is called as ripple factor. If ripple factor is small, quality of rectifier is said to be better. Today I will explain you concept of transistor. And once we complete this, then I will come to specially designed junction diodes. This much I can clear.
Yes, sir.
2 मिनट रुक जाओ बिकॉज एक दो स्टूडेंट का मैसेज आया कि थोड़ा 2 मिनट में ज्वाइन कर ले, बिकॉज ट्रांजिस्टर अगर आगे पीछे हो गया तो कुछ नहीं समझेगा. Do you have student any doubt in the previous topics for your exams? हेलो,
नहीं सर.
कुछ नहीं डाउट है?
नहीं सर, समझा.
नहीं, अभी जो आपको एग्जाम में टॉपिक है उसका बात कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं सर, वैसा कोई डाउट नहीं है.
अच्छा,
समझ गया सर.
अगर चाहिए तो बोलना, फिर एक्स्ट्रा एक रिवीजन रख दूंगा खाली आप लोग के लिए.
हाँ सर.
transistor. Trans means transfer. Istor stands for resistor. So when you make resistance, suppose by rheostat small, then large current flows. When large, then small current flows. So transistor is a device, rheostat jaisa hi hai. It can transfer the resistance and control the current. How that we'll see in working. So it is a device which can control. It is device which can control flow of current by transferring the resistance. It is also called as bipolar junction transistor, BJT भी बोलते हैं उसको. It is also called as bipolar junction transistor or BJT because flow of current is due to both positive pole and negative electrons. It is device which can control flow of current by transferring the resistance. It is also called as bipolar junction transistor or BJT because flow of current is due to both positive hole and negative electrons. Just copy this, then we'll see construction working. Completed? Full? Hello, can I clear this note?
Done, sir.
Wait, sir.
ठीक है. DV exam is starting from which date? 12th, na?
Yes, sir.
मतलब coming Monday.
हाँ.
And 12th to till what? That date you are not aware? Last date?
No, sir.
So on 12th, I will start with revision because this chapter will get over. I will start with revision of ray optics part.
Sir, 12 to 17.
सर 12 to 17 है.
12 to 17 है, एक वीक में हो जाएगा. अच्छा, चलो, कैन आई क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, sir.
अभी एकदम अच्छे से देखना क्योंकि ट्रांजिस्टर का कंस्ट्रक्शन, वर्किंग, फिर इसके ऊपर आगे apparatus आएंगे थोड़े. Explain construction of transistor with block diagram and symbolic notation. This chapter is into three parts: junction diode, transistor and logic gate. So generally you get 3 MCQs in the exam. अब ये पूरा होने के बाद मैं देखता हूँ नीट में क्या पूछा था, कुछ अपना पढ़ा है वो उसमें से आया था क्या, देखते हैं. Explain construction of transistor. What is this called as?
PN junction.
This is called PN junction. बराबर. तो इसमें कितना जंक्शन दिख रहा है आपको? एक जंक्शन. इसको वर्क करने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम लोग? फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग करते हैं ना, बराबर ना, फॉरवर्ड बायस कर देते हैं ना. फॉरवर्ड बायस कर देते हैं मतलब हम लोग इसको बैटरी कनेक्ट करते हैं विथ प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस. और नई फंक्शन कराने के लिए क्या करते हैं? कौन सा बायस? रिवर्स बायस. फॉरवर्ड बायस पे रेजिस्टेंस कितना है फॉरवर्ड बायस के टाइम पे? ऑलमोस्ट 0 है ना. और रिवर्स बायस में ओपन सर्किट हो जाता है, इनफाइनाइट. हियर चार्जेस डिफ्यूज, हियर चार्जेस ड्रिफ्ट. हाँ, ये सब बेसिक याद रखना. सो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर. Can you tell how many junction now you can see? How many junction diode? 2 na? 1, 2. 2 junction diode. So when 2 junction diodes, are connected back to back, ये दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दिया बैक टू बैक, इधर N आ गया, इधर P, इधर P, then it is called transistor. There are 2 types of transistor, PNP and NPN. Again, when 2 PN junction diodes are connected back to back, then device obtained is called as transistor. There are 2 types of transistor, PNP and NPN. In PNP, N is sandwiched between 2 P type, and in NPN, P is sandwiched between 2 P type, N type. Sandwich मतलब दो ऊपर का लेयर सेम रहता है, ये बीच में अलग हो जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं सैंडविच. The block diagram is as shown in the figure. Wait, don't write anything. Block diagram for NPN transistor. Outer 2 similar layers are called as emitter and collector. Outer 2 similar layers are called as emitter, collector. Now if you look carefully, collector का थोड़ा सा मैंने लेंथ ज्यादा बताया. This length I have shown slightly wider. Reason for this, collector will get emitter का इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो इसका जगह ज्यादा चाहिए. किसको ज्यादा डोप करके रखो? Suppose you come to the class, you are collector, and our classroom is based where teacher is also coming to emit something and give to the collector. तो ज्यादा पढ़ के कौन आना चाहिए, टीचर क्या स्टूडेंट? टीचर ज्यादा पढ़ के आना चाहिए अलग अलग बुक से, तो इसका डोपिंग ज्यादा चाहिए ना टीचर का. ये ब्लैंक आना चाहिए क्या ऐसे ही? ये भी तो कुछ पढ़ के आना चाहिए, नहीं तो टीचर लिखा V = R ऐसा, वो बोलेगा ये बबलू क्या है, वो बोलेगा बबलू नहीं है डब्लू है, तो दूसरा बोला सर कौन बोला डब्लू, ये तो ओमेगा होता है। तो स्टूडेंट ने भी थोड़ा पढ़ना चाहिए ना, तभी उसको समझेगा ना कि इसका और ये भी इक्वल टू आई आर में फर्क क्या है। ये सर्कुलर मोशन में, करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में है, नहीं तो कंफ्यूज होएगा, ये V और ये V लगता सेम है, ये R और ये R भी सेम है, तो ये I और ओमेगा अलग क्यों? मतलब he should be also doped. So I can say emitter must be heavily doped and collector must be moderately doped and base must be very lightly doped. Doping मतलब adding impurity. किसका दिमाग का साइज ज्यादा है, एमिटर का या कलेक्टर का? आपके हिसाब से बोलो, साइज किसका ज्यादा दिमाग का, एमिटर का क्या कलेक्टर का क्या बेस का? मुझे तो एमिटर लग रहा है, आपको क्या लग रहा है? हाँ आर्यन क्या लग रहा है आपको?
एमीटर है।
नहीं, रॉन्ग, कलेक्टर है। कलेक्टर को बेचारे को फिजिक्स वाले का भी सुनने का है, केमिस्ट्री वाले का भी सुनने का है, मैथ्स और बायो वाले का भी सुनने का है ना, तो इसका दिमाग का साइज बहुत होना चाहिए, नहीं तो इसका दिमाग का दही हो जाता है और कभी कभी बंक कर देता है लेक्चर, और कभी कभी गाड़ी में आता है पेट्रोल भराने निकल जाता है किधर। तो देखो आया, देखो पेट्रोल लेके वेदांत। हेलो वेदांत, हेलो वेदांत धनोलकर, हेलो वेदांत, यू आर देयर?
Sir, his audio isn't connected yet.
ऑडियो इज नॉट येट कनेक्टेड?
Now connected, sir.
अच्छा, यस वेदांत, कैन यू हियर मी? वेदांत, okay, I think he will coordinate later. So emitter, तो आप उसको एक ही सब्जेक्ट है फिजिक्स, कलेक्टर को तो तीन तीन सब्जेक्ट है, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो, कभी भी चार भी रहेगा, इंग्लिश पांच, तो इसका दिमाग का साइज ज्यादा चाहिए, इसलिए इधर वाइड दिखाया उसको. So base is very thin, emitter is moderately wide, collector is widest. So in diagram you take care, कलेक्टर को थोड़ा लंबा बनाना, बेस को एकदम पतला और थिन, एमिटर को थोड़ा मॉडरेट. ये क्लिक हो गया है मीनिंग, क्यों एक बड़ा बना है एक छोटा बना है? चलो आई एम ड्राइंग द डायग्राम, आप डायग्राम देख के बताना एमिटर कौन सा है, कौन सा बेस है इसमें से?
बीच वाला।
हाँ बीच वाला दिख रहा है, पतला है सबसे, वही बेस है. राइटिंग पैड भी खराब हो जाता है. So this is base. What is this?
कलेक्टर।
Collector. And what about this? Emitter. मैं एक का टाइप बताता हूँ, आप मुझे बाकी दो का बताना. एमिटर एन है, तो कलेक्टर क्या होएगा?
एन।
बराबर
N.
एन. और ये
P.
पी।
इसमें कौन सा एमिटर है? राइट
राइट
साइड.
वन।
ये बेस, ये कलेक्टर. फिर ये अगर P है तो ये क्या रहेगा?
मीटर भी पी होगा।
P. और ये N. So we have got 1, 2, 3 layer and how many junction? 1 and 2, 2 junction. ये दो जंक्शन हो गया ना, एक इधर एक इधर, 1 junction 2 junction. Again I am repeating what is transistor, construction of transistor. Transistor is a device which controls flow of current by transferring the resistance. It is also called as BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor, because both positive hole and negative electron conducts the current in transistor. Then we started with construction of transistor. Two PN junctions connected back to back is called transistor, right? Two PN junctions connected back to back. Two PN junctions connected back to back is called as transistor. Easy topic है, खाली wordings बराबर ध्यान रखना. Two PN junctions connected
Excuse
back
me,
to
sir.
back. Yes, excused.
सर वेदांत का मैसेज आया था, वो ज्वाइन कर पा रहा है बट उसका ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. ऑडियो कनेक्ट करने गया तो पूरा डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है.
लेकिन उसको सुनाई पड़ रहा है ना, चलेगा?
नहीं सर, हो ही नहीं रहा है, मतलब ऑडियो कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है पूरा.
नहीं
नहीं
पर
बोल पा रहा है, नहीं सुन पा रहा
ओके, तो उसको बोलना आज आराम करेगा, मैं ये भेज दूंगा
है. ये सर
रिकॉर्ड.
बोलता है.
क्या कर सकते हैं ना, उसको बोलना कुछ तू टेंशन मत ले, पेट्रोल गाड़ी में रेडी रख, सर रिकॉर्ड करके भेज दे.
बोलता हूँ सर.
ठीक है, और आपका थोड़ा बांसुरी का म्यूजिक भी दे देना. Okay, two PN junctions connected back to back is called as transistor. There are two types of transistor. First, NPN transistor. In this transistor, P-type is sandwiched between two N-type semiconductor. NPN transistor, in this transistor, P-type is sandwiched between two N-type semiconductor. Second, PNP transistor. In this transistor, N-type is sandwiched between two P-type semiconductor. Between two P-type semiconductor. The block diagram are as shown. A N P N transistor. While drawing diagram, just take care that keep collector widest. So outer two are similar layer. One is called emitter, which is here N type. In between patla sa base, which is opposite P type, और ये लंबा वाला collector. See. Below that you can write P N P transistor. Again outer two are similar, but collector is widest, इसलिए बड़ा थोड़ा length. Base is opposite N here. This is denoted as B. This again P denoted as. So emitter, base, collector, NPN, PNP. Yes, completed. Yes, completed both the diagrams.
Yes.
So transistor is device which will control flow of current by transferring resistance, also called as BJT, bipolar junction transistor, because both positive hole and current are a negative electron carries current here. That when two PN junction are connected back to back, we get device called transistor. Name are NPN and PNP. In NPN, P is sandwiched between two N type, and in PNP, N is sandwiched between two P type. Block diagrams are as shown. Can I clear now? Next line, right. The emitter must be heavily doped, comma, the collector must be moderately doped, and base must be very lightly doped. The collector is widest in size, base is thinnest, and emitter is moderate. The outer two similar layers are called as emitter and collector. The middle layer is called as base. The middle layer is called as base. In the advantage of this chapter is in this theory only you will get MCQs. If you complete, please tell. Completed writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The symbolic representation is as shown. In emitter region, arrow is mark which shows direction of current from positive to negative. So here A, I am drawing NPN transistor, and in second case PNP. Symbolic representation, we draw one horizontal line. We can draw it vertical also. This is base and two inclined lines. This is base. Any one can be taken as emitter, any one can be taken as collector. But once you put the arrow, that will become now emitter and other will become collector. This is base. Now I'm putting arrow in emitter region. So for me, this left hand side is emitter, this is collector. If I put arrow, arrow is from where to where?
Emitter to collector.
नहीं, emitter is from positive to negative. emitter के अंदर है arrow, लेकिन किधर? From P to N, ऐसा होएगा ना?
हाँ.
अभी ये P, base is N, इसको अगर emitter, इसको collector बोला, तो I would have to put arrow in this. But arrow is from where to where? Positive to negative. Followed the diagram? Both diagram? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because 1 year they had given this diagram and they had asked this is which type of transistor. दो दिया था, एक X एक Y. आप मुझे बताना कौन सा ट्रांजिस्टर है ये? Which transistor is this? Can you tell? Hello, can you tell? Viti, can you tell? Get involved.
NPN.
नहीं बोल सकते. एरो बनाया किधर मैंने अभी तक?
हाँ सर.
Once I draw arrow, then you will predict ना क्या प्लस से माइनस गया क्या है. तो ये P, ये N. अभी कौन सा ट्रांजिस्टर हो गया ये? NPN. NPN बराबर. तो एक ही लोग ने ये नाम नहीं दिया था, खाली एरो रखा था. फिर बोला था X, इसको नाम दिया था X, ऐसा दो तीन था. कौन सा NPN है, कौन सा PNP, ऐसा पूछा था. So from arrow you should come to know it is always from positive to negative. So ये P, तो आउटर दोनों NN, तो NPN. समझ गया आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write that words and draw the symbolic representation. Now if they say one layer is thinnest, it should be named which layer? ऐसा एक ईयर पूछ लिया था क्वेश्चन. The middle layer is thinnest, that is which layer? What it is called?
Base.
Base. ऐसा simple है. So write this wording, draw the diagram. Completed full?
Done, sir.
एक मिनट हाँ. Working of NPN transistor. Working of NPN transistor means how it will allow the current to flow through the circuit, that is called working. See, there are how many layers in this transistors? 3, na? 1, 2, 3. How many junction? 1, 2. In PN junction, we use one battery to connect it. P is connected to P, N is connected to N, then it is called forward biased, है ना? Hello?
हाँ सर.
देखो मेन इस आपको सब पता रहना चाहिए पीएन जंक्शन क्या है, तो उसको ही आई एम जस्ट प्रोसीडिंग अहेड. पीएन जंक्शन इज नथिंग बट पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर, एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर का बाउंड्री. If PU connected with P and you connect with N, it is called forward biased PN junction. वो टाइम पे करंट फ्लो होता है फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. अभी देखते हैं वर्किंग ऑफ एनपीएन ट्रांजिस्टर विथ प्रॉपर ब्लॉक डायग्राम. कंसीडर NPN transistor. Consider NPN transistor. The outer two similar layers called as emitter collector has majority carrier as negative electron, and middle layer has majority carrier as positive volt. This much you all have followed? Hello, this much followed, no?
Yes sir.
देखो एमीटर कलेक्टर सेम डोपिंग होता है, so here they are having majority carrier as negative electron, base उल्टा रहता है, it is positive. Now I have to make the current flow, that means charge flow. What is this called as charge ऐसा आया तो? अरे ये इसको क्या बोलेंगे? चार्ज ऐसा आमने सामने आया तो डिफ्यूजन, और ऐसा दूर दूर गया तो ड्रिफ्टिंग. हाँ, ये वर्ड टर्मिनोलॉजी रिमेंबर. डिफ्यूजन कमिंग क्लोजर, ड्रिफ्टिंग मूविंग अवे. सो इफ आई वांट दैट कि ये जंक्शन से चार्ज इसके पास आए ऐसा, तो कोई तो पुश करना चाहिए ना इसको, ये चार्ज को. नेगेटिव को कौन पुश करता है? हेलो,
Negative.
नहीं पॉजिटिव तो खींचेगा ना उसको. अगर आपने
Negative.
सोचेगा तो
Negative.
नेगेटिव पुश करेगा ना, रिपेल. तो ये एन एन के साथ कनेक्ट है, पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव के साथ कनेक्टेड है, तो ये जंक्शन फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड हो गया ना अपना, ये वाला, ये एमीटर और बेस वाला फॉरवर्ड हो गया ना. अभी नहीं समझ में आया? फॉरवर्ड मतलब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन को पुश करेगा, ये पॉजिटिव वाला ऐसा पुश करेगा, तो दोनों आमने सामने आएंगे, डिफ्यूजन होएगा ना. हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
समझो सर.
वो एकदम सिंपल है, मैं वर्डिंग भी सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोल रहा हूँ, टेक्स्ट बुक से शायद नहीं समझेगा. Consider NPN transistor, outer two similar layer, emitter collector has majority carrier as negative electron, middle layer base has majority carrier positive hole. When an emitter is connected to negative terminal, base is connected to positive, then base emitter junction becomes forward biased. Okay, this much followed?
Yes sir.
Then the charge from emitter will enter into base. मतलब एमीटर में अगर 100 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो बेस के पास 5 पॉजिटिव होल है, तो इसका 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाके 5 पॉजिटिव के साथ डिफ्यूज हो जाएगा, मतलब फिट्टूस हो जाएगा पूरा। अब ये पॉजिटिव वाला थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींचेगा ना, क्लियर नो मीनिंग। नेगेटिव इसके साथ गया सपोज 5, तो 5 पॉजिटिव होल के साथ मिलके 0, अभी कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन को ये खींच लेगा ना बेस, बिकॉज बेस इज पॉजिटिव। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर ऐसा खींचा तो करंट ऐसा जाता है ना, ऑपोजिट टू इलेक्ट्रॉन। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
So electron enters from the emitter, diffuses with positive hole. Some electron enters in base region, hence it produces base current I. Now if I only leave this much, ये unconnected, तो ये डायोड के जैसा काम करेगा ना, आएगा जाएगा आएगा जाएगा, तो ये दूसरा वाला लेयर के लिए फुकट का पैसा वेस्ट किया। So base emitter also, collector should also be connected. So base is connected to suppose negative terminal. Now ulta I am connecting, and this electron to positive terminal. Now I can see positive will pull the negative electron, so this will get drifted out. So I can see एक ही direction में current जा रहा है ऐसा, inward, outward. So when base collector is made reverse biased with the help of battery VBC, reverse means negative connected to positive, positive connected to negative, then electrons will drifted out and give rise to collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. This is flow of electron, ulta banaya current. By Kirchhoff's current law, entering currents are taken as positive and leaving currents are taken as negative. So by Kirchhoff's current law, IB is entering, IC is entering, IE is leaving. So I can say entering current by Kirchhoff's law are taken as positive and leaving currents are taken as negative. So we can write like this. Therefore, by Kirchhoff's current law, minus IE, because it is leaving, plus IB plus IC is 0. So IE will become IB plus IC. This is working of transistor. That means emitter current is sum of base current and collector current. Working followed? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
वापस बताओ क्या कॉन्सेप्ट बराबर समझ गए?
एक बार वापस
वापस एक बार देखो. Consider N, P, and transistor. Outer two similar layers are called emitter collector. Has majority carrier negative electron. Middle layer has majority carrier positive hole, is called as base. Base emitter made forward bias. Forward means minus connected to minus, plus connected to plus. With the help of battery VBE. Then charges will cross the junction. Hence, few electron get diffuses with holes present in the base. Some enters in base, giving rise to base current IB. When base collector is made reverse biased with the help of battery BBC, then the electron from emitter after crossing the base enters the collector and are drifted out. This gives collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. Therefore, by Kirchhoff's law, minus IE because it is leaving, plus IB plus IC is 0. So ये IB I को उधर लेके गया, I is IB plus IC. This is working of transistor. Okay. This can be asked for 4 marks in the exam. You draw the diagram, then I'm giving in my own wording again theory. Draw diagram. तो ये लोग सब क्वारंटाइन होने पड़ेंगे, सबको क्वारंटाइन होना पड़ेगा ये लोग को। हाँ तो उसको ही हुआ ना, तो सरोज को क्वारंटाइन होना पड़ेगा मतलब। क्यों? हाँ हो गया ना बोल रहे हैं। नहीं नहीं, पूरा स्टाफ नहीं जाता है ना, ऐसा है ना कुछ, तो मतलब ऐसे ही है, ऐसे ही है पूरा। जब अब जैसे एक जन को हो गया तो सबको सील कर देते हैं ना वो लोग। हाँ जरूर, तो आप लोग का पूरा डिपार्टमेंट से। हाँ तो आप लोग भी क्वारंटाइन होना पड़ेगा। ऐसा कैसा नहीं करेंगे, सबको स्ट्रीम देना पड़ेगा अभी। Yes, completed full diagram.
Yes, sir.
Consider NPN transistor. The outer two similar layers are called as emitter and collector, as majority carrier as negative electron, as majority carrier as negative electron, and the middle layer base has majority carrier as positive pole. When base emitter junction, when base emitter junction is made forward biased with the help of battery VBE, then the electrons from emitter moves towards base and diffuses the holes, comma, few electrons enters in the base circuit producing base current I. Next paragraph. Can I rub this? Yes, can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Then base collector junction is made reversed biased with the help of factory BBC, then electrons from emitter after crossing base enters collector and are drifted outwards, producing current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. Therefore, by Kirchhoff's current law, minus IE plus IB plus IC equals to 0. So IE equals to IB plus IC. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. Draw circuit diagram of NPN transistor. Base, collector, emitter, NPN. Therefore, arrow is from positive to negative. Base emitter forward biased. That means N connected to N and P connected to P, BBE. Base collector reverse biased, negative. See, I'm making more lines for base collector because it has to pull many electrons. So this is IC, this one is IB, this is IE. So the circuit diagram exactly same as PNP. Then we have relation between alpha, beta. There are two terms. Chapter is simple if you are following this the way I am doing. Yes, completed circuit diagram. Kamya, you have understood somewhat?
हाँ सर.
अभी खाली मैं आपको ना थोड़ा 10 मिनट में समझा दूंगा रिवर्स फॉरवर्ड बायस पी एंड एन फिर कंटिन्यूटी है. Yes, completed. Can I start with new?
Done sir.
Okay. Now write explain working of PNP transistor. Explain working of PNP transistor. Now it is consider PNP transistor outer to similar layer emitter and collector has majority carrier as positive hole and middle layer has majority carrier as called as base as majority carrier as negative electron. When base emitter junction is made forward bias, the charges, the positive hole from emitter crosses the junction, diffuses negative electron. Some positive hole enters in base region, giving base current IB. When base collector junction is made reverse biased with the help of battery VBE, then the positive hole from the emitter after crossing base enters the collector and are drifted out. This produces collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. See, direction of current is in the direction of positive charge. By Kirchhoff's current law, IE is entering, so plus IE minus IB minus IC is 0. That is IE equals to IB plus IC. So whether it is NPN transistor or PNP transistor, always our final product will remain same. That is IE equals to IB plus IC. Okay, followed this also now. Same to same. Negative electron became positive, or indirectly we have reversed the polarity. Any doubt? You want again explanation or clear? Hello?
Understood, sir.
Yes. Draw diagram. Arya, you joined late. Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only draw circuit diagram, then I'm explaining. I think you have done. Correct, na? Diagram, circuit diagram over.
Yes, sir.
Right. Consider. Diagram rub कर दो. Yes, Viti, Mansi, Manasvi.
Okay, sir.
Right. Consider PNP transistor. The outer two similar layers are emitter and collector having majority carrier as positive poles. The middle layer base has majority carrier as negative electron. When base emitter junction is made forward biased with the help of battery VDE. With the help of battery VDE. Then the positive holes from emitter enters the base. From emitter enters the base. Oh, sorry. Then positive holes from the emitter enters the base and diffuses the electrons. Then the positive holes from emitter enters the base and diffuses negative electrons. Few positive holes enters the base region, producing base current IP. Producing base current IP. Shall I clear this now? One more paragraph after I.
Yes, sir.
When base collector junction is made reverse biased with the help of battery VBC, then the positive holes after crossing the base enters the collector and are drifted outwards, producing collector current IC. Let IE be the emitter current. Therefore, by Kirchhoff's current law, IE minus IB minus IC equals to 0. Therefore, IE equal to IB plus IC. This is working of transistor. This is working of transistor. Then write circuit diagram of working of PNP transistor. Circuit diagram for working of PNP transistor. Circuit diagram for working of PNP transistor. Emitter, base, collector, P, N, P, put arrow in this, base emitter forward biased with the help of battery PBE, base collector reverse biased with the help of battery BBC, this is IE, IB, IC. Then circuit diagram also.
एक मिनट सर. Done.
Define common collector current gain. Common emitter current gain. Then define common base current gain. So these are gain means some ratio related quantities. So whichever I say common, that is not there in the ratio. The ratio of collector current IC to base current IB is called as common emitter current gain. The name is common emitter, that emitter is nowhere in the ratio. It is given by beta equals to IC upon IB. Write down first definition. The ratio of collector current IC to the base current IB is called as common emitter current gain. It is given by beta equal to IC upon IB. It is usually lies between 50 and 200. Denominator base is less, so answer will be greater than 1, but generally it should be between 50 and 200. Common base current gain. The ratio of collector current IC to the emitter current IE is called as common base current gain. Is called as common base current gain. Called as common base current gain. It is given by alpha equals to IC upon IE. It is given by alpha equals to IC upon IE. It is always less than 1. It is always less than 1. Last part for today, obtain relation between alpha and beta. So if numerical comes, mostly it will come on this relation. For working of transistor, IE is IB plus IC. Therefore, IE upon IC is IB upon IC plus IC upon IC. This IC is cancelled. The collector current to emitter current is called alpha. So this is nothing but 1 upon alpha. This is 1 upon beta plus 1. So 1 upon alpha equals to 1 plus beta upon beta. Therefore alpha is beta upon 1 plus beta. Or alpha into 1 plus beta equals to beta. So alpha plus alpha beta equals to beta. Therefore alpha is beta minus alpha beta. Alpha equals to beta into 1 minus alpha. So beta equals to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So either they can ask you which is the correct relation between alpha beta. So if alpha comes, remember it is less than 1. So denominator will be 1 plus beta. If beta comes, then alpha upon 1 minus alpha. Yes, done till end.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. This Sunday, test will be on electrostatic theory for evening batch student. And for morning batch student, already I have told you the chapter.